Imagine waking up tomorrow and discovering that you will never grow old. Your body will never weaken. Your cells will never stop working. You will never experience the fear of death again. You could watch entire generations appear and disappear. You could witness the rise and fall of civilizations. You could travel beyond Earth and see worlds that humans today can only dream about. But there is one question that has haunted humanity since the beginning. Could humans actually live forever? Is death an unavoidable law of nature? Or is it simply a problem that science has not solved yet? Because hidden inside every human body is a mysterious biological machine. A machine that ages. A machine that breaks down. A machine that, one day, stops. But what if we could repair it? What if humans were never meant to die? Every living creature on Earth experiences the same mysterious process. Aging. A baby is born. A child grows. An adult becomes older. And eventually, life reaches its final chapter. But why? Why does the human body have an expiration date? Scientists believe aging happens because our bodies slowly accumulate damage over time. Every second, billions of tiny processes are happening inside our cells. Our DNA is copied. Our organs work. Our bodies repair themselves. But these repairs are not perfect. Over many years, small problems begin to appear. Cells become damaged. The body becomes less efficient. The systems that once kept us alive begin to slow down. It is almost as if the human body is a machine, but one that was never designed to last forever. However, what if we could upgrade that machine? The idea of immortality may sound impossible. But nature has already created examples that challenge our understanding of aging. Some animals can live extraordinarily long lives. The Greenland shark can survive for hundreds of years. Certain turtles can live more than a century. And one fascinating creature has captured the attention of scientists: the immortal jellyfish. This tiny animal has the ability to return to an earlier stage of its life cycle. Instead of simply getting older, it can essentially restart itself. This raises an incredible question. If nature can create organisms with unusual abilities, could humans one day learn from them? Could we discover the secrets hidden inside their biology? For thousands of years, humans have searched for ways to escape death. Ancient kings searched for magical solutions. Civilizations created stories about eternal life. The dream of immortality appears in almost every culture on Earth. Why? Because humans are unique. We know we will die. And that knowledge creates one of the greatest fears in our minds. But today, the search for immortality is no longer only mythology. Scientists are studying real possibilities. Regenerative medicine. Artificial organs. Genetic engineering. Artificial intelligence. Human-machine connections. The future of medicine may not only be about treating diseases. It may be about reversing damage. Imagine a future where doctors don't just cure illnesses. They repair aging itself. Damaged cells could be replaced. Organs could be regenerated. DNA problems could be corrected. The human body could constantly renew itself. Some researchers believe aging could eventually become something manageable. Not something that suddenly stops us, but something we continuously repair. Just like maintaining a machine. But there is a huge question. Even if science allows humans to live hundreds of years, would we truly want to live forever? Immortality sounds perfect. But it creates questions humanity has never faced before. If nobody died, would the planet have enough resources? Would society change completely? Would people still appreciate life if it had no ending? Think about this. A sunset is beautiful because it does not last forever. A moment becomes special because it is temporary. Maybe the limitation of life is what gives life meaning. If humans lived forever, Would we still feel the same urgency to love, create, and explore? Or would endless time make everything lose its value? But perhaps immortality does not mean keeping the same body forever. Some scientists and futurists imagine another possibility: digital immortality. A future where the human mind could somehow be transferred into technology. A person could exist beyond the biological body. Their memories, their personality, their knowledge, everything that makes them unique. But this creates an even deeper question. If a copy of your mind exists, is it really you? Or is it just another version of you? The mystery of immortality is not only about living longer. It is about understanding what makes us human. So, could humans live forever? The honest answer is, we don't know. Maybe one day science will defeat aging. Maybe humans will discover ways to extend life far beyond anything we can imagine. Or maybe death will always remain a fundamental part of existence. But one thing is certain. For thousands of years, humans have looked at the stars and asked questions. We have explored oceans. We have created civilizations. We have traveled beyond our planet. And now, we are facing the greatest challenge of all: understanding life itself. Because the greatest mystery is not simply how long we can live. The greatest mystery is, what will we do with the time we have?